Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Minecraft audio is not working. So first of all, just to run some sort of game, then press escape, then go to options, then go to music and audio and make sure that master volume is not muted. For me, it's muted because I'm just recording the video, but for you it should be not muted, and also these sounds also should be working. Then if it's not working, then go to resource pack and then select the resource pack that is that you're playing on, and then just press done and restart the resource pack and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then what I suggest you to do here is to open up search, and then you just need to write run. Then on run you need to just write %appdata%. Then of course close the game, go to .minecraft, then go to versions, and then just delete all the versions here or backup on your desktop and delete it from the folder, restart the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to settings. Then you need to go to on search, you just need to write sound settings, then make sure the game is enabled, and then go to volume mixer, and then look if the Minecraft is not muted here, right? If it's muted, just unmute it. Make sure it's the default override input and output is selected, and that's pretty much it. It should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.